Hello friends, welcome to the new video of react.js. So here we are going to learn about the what is actually React. So React is just a JavaScript library for building the user interfaces. User interfaces means the UI. Okay. Whenever we have an interaction with the forms, when we have a form and we submit that is user interface. Okay, it is the web view layer of web applications. So any, you can say, when we have an application, it is a view layer means what, like you can say view layer is basically view of that page, that we call it as a components. So whatever we have write in the components, okay, so it will show in your web applications, right? So whenever we are going to say like what is React, basically it's just a library, nothing else. So it's not, you can call it as a framework. So just a library. You have the classes script source like this one. How you can use it, you can just add this script tag, this one, and then we have a source react dom min.js, and then we have a babel, right? After this, that this one we are going to use with react dom render hello world document.query selector app. Okay, so the head is, you can see that dev app. Just whenever you can implement anywhere React in any of your project, whether it is Laravel, PHP, or something you want to integrate, so this is the way. Just use their class, use their scripts, and let's get started with the script type text babel react dom render hello world. I will show you also this one part. So let me copy this and create a new file in our project, in this one. So where is PHP folder? So this is basically a test.html. I'm going to open it. Okay, so let's control A, comment. Let me comment. This is messenger code basically. I'm going to comment this one part. Okay, just going to add this one. If I'm going to add this one local, let's open it from here. Open with web browser. See, we can successfully, you can see that control you, all the script tags are available here, the cdn file. Now it's, you can see that it's load very fast. Okay, so you can see that we got successfully implemented the react library in our any of the project, whether you want to use in a html, whether you want to create a bootstrap template, any templates that you want to use, that you can use this react library very easily. Okay, so I hope you understand how we are going to use this library, right? So in the coming videos we are going to learn about why react is so popular. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.